megahertz. The National Weather Service in Mount Holly, New Jersey has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Northern Ocean County, southeastern Clinton County, and northwestern New Jersey, northwestern Camden County, Mercer County, northeastern Gloucester County, northern Burlington County, southern Somerset County, Monmouth County, Middlesex County, southeastern Bucks County, and southeastern Pennsylvania, northeastern Philadelphia County, and southeastern Pennsylvania.
Anything that you guys really want to
At 9:41
learn next
thunderstorms were limited.
No.
I know we've talked about
Hopewell to
graphic,
moving east
like
at 60 miles
we've been
per hour.
practicing some graphic.
Hazard 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source radar indicated.
Like budgeting, personal
Impact
finance
damage to
project.
roofs,
Or
siding,
anything
trees,
else?
and power lines is possible.
Any other math topics you
Locations
guys
affected
are dying to learn about?
Philadelphia,
No.
Tom's River, Pennsylvania, Brunswick,
I think those are good ones, though. I like those ones that you mentioned.
Cherry Hill, Middletown, Albany, Bensalem, Jackson, Brunswick, South Brunswick,
I saw one of like Miss T's projects was like,
Then wait,
I'm sure you saw it. Was like,
interior roof on the
you know,
lower
budget
floor of the
for
building.
trips.
Or no lightning. Not wait until you hear thunder before taking cover. Coastal flood warning remains